Seventh one, write a Python program to replace the last value of tuples in a list. Okay, we have to replace the last values of tuples in a list. See here, sample list is there. In list, there are so many tuples are there here. Okay, we want to replace this the last value, this 40, 60, 100, 92 with this 100. Okay, 100. Okay, this 40, 60, 92, 100. So how to replace? So array slice method. We have to use array slice method to replace this one and also list comprehension. Simple. So simple thing. First, we will enter this one only. Okay, this input only. We'll take this list only. Okay, Control C. Instead of the keyboard, entering input from the keyboard, just we will take this one. List is equal to see sample list we taken. We have to replace this 40, 60, 90 to 100. Okay, last one. So to get this one, to get to access to the individual tuples in a list, so we have to use the for loop here. Or you can use a list comprehension. We'll use a list comprehension. It's one line code. Okay, simple. First to access this last element, we want to get the first two elements first. Okay, we want to get the first two elements. So how you get the first two elements? Using the what we call any access you will take using the array slice method. Okay, colon -1. Simple. And we have to add the 100. No, how to add the item to an element? How to add the individual item to an element? So individual item to a tuple. How to add individual item to a tuple? Just use 100 comma. We have seen this one. Okay, 100 comma. Just adding this to this -1. First we t colon -1 will get the first two elements, and this 100 will add it to this tuple. Okay, simple one. And we have to iterate for t in list here. Okay, for t in list here, and everything we have to write in list. Simple, and print it. Simple. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, TF colon -1. If you know array slice method, there are so many examples are there in this exercises. So if you practice that one, you will easily get it. Okay, you will get to get these first two elements in a tuple. You have to use this -1 colon -1, and if you want to add that to 100, add it to that about 10 comma 20. This 100 you have to use this. To add an element, to add an element to a tuple, 100 comma. We have done this tuple exercise. Execute it and observe. See 10, 20, 100, 40, 50, 100, 70, 80, 100. Okay. So simple. Okay.